Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And this video I'm going to show you how you can change your time and date on your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. We just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Here you can see I have swiped down from up to down, and you can see the time here. Just tap right here on time. So here you can see added system time. You can add it. You can see that the time is automatically set is on. If that is off, you can tap right here on time, and from there you can set the time on your Android device. You can see you can change the time format also, and you can use the dual clock, and you can do the second clock etc. So this is how you can easily manage your date and time on your Android device. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider sharing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.